Hello, I'm Professor Susan DeGize. This tutorial is on Practice 9.4 C. Directions. Using either method, write the harmonic intervals below the given notes using whole notes. Use the staff below as scratch paper. Alright, so you can use method number 1, write and adjust, method number 2, interval inversions, or even a combination of shortcuts. I'll go ahead and do number 1 for you. For number 1, I'm going to use the inversion method. I need to write a major seventh below G. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write the inversion above. The inversion of a major seventh is a minor second. The shortcut tells me that a minor second is a diatonic half step. So a diatonic half step above G would be A flat. So now all I have to do is transfer this A flat below the given note, and there's my major seventh below G. Go ahead and do numbers 2 through 5 on your own, pause the video, and press play when you're ready. Alright, for number 2, I'm going to use the perfect fourth shortcut. First, I'm going to write a fourth below E, which is B. The notes are not B and F, so I know the accidentals must match to be a perfect fourth. For number 3, I'm going to use the minor second shortcut. A minor second is a diatonic half step. So what's a half step below A? G sharp. So I'm just going to add a G sharp here, and that is my minor second below A. Number 4, an augmented sixth below F sharp. I'm going to use the inversion method here. The inversion of an augmented sixth is a diminished third. So I need to write a diminished third above F sharp. Okay, so I know that F sharp and A sharp is a major third because F and A is an all-white key major third. Now I need to make this top note diminished. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lower this A sharp to A, making it minor, and then lower it again with the flat to make it diminished. So now I have a diminished third above F sharp. Now I need to transfer this A flat up here to write an augmented sixth below F sharp. Okay, number 5. I'm going to use the perfect fourth shortcut here. If I write a fourth below D, it's A. The notes are not B and F, so I know that this would be a perfect fourth. However, it's asking for a diminished fourth, so I need to make the interval smaller. That means I need to raise the bottom note. So I'm going to raise it from an A double flat to A flat. Go ahead and do the second row on your own, pause the video, and press play when you're ready. Alright, for number 6, I'm going to use the inversion method. So a major sixth below C is asking for a minor third above. That's the inversion. So I know C to E is a major third. To make it a minor third, I'm going to flat this E. So a major sixth below C is going to be E flat. All right, number 7, a diminished seventh. I'm going to use the inversion method. The inversion of a diminished seventh is an augmented second. So I have B flat here. I know a second above B is C something. B flat to C is a whole step or a major second. To make it augmented, I need to raise this C to C sharp, and then I'm going to transfer this sharp so that it's below this B flat. And now I have a diminished seventh below B flat. Number 8, a minor third below D. For this one, I'm going to write and adjust. So a third below D is B, and now I think B to D is an all-white key minor third, so I'm set. You could also use the key signature for B minor, which has 2 sharps, so this is a minor third. Number 9, I'm going to use the perfect fifth shortcut. A fifth below G is C. The notes are not B to F, so I know the accidentals must match. Here, the double sharps, because they're smaller accidentals, you can actually line them up when it's a smaller interval like this. All right, number 10, a major third below. I'm going to write and adjust. A third below F is D. I know D to F is an all-white key minor third. To make it major, I need to make it bigger, which means I'm going to lower my bottom note. Okay, as you saw, we used a variety of methods. Method number 1, write and adjust. Method number 2, interval inversions, as well as other shortcuts that we've learned. If you'd like to review these methods, please reread section 9.4. You've now completed the tutorial for practice 9.4C. Thank you for watching.